as the enterprises have grown over the years now, like I said, to just shy of 3,400 team members, there are a lot of similarities just from that volume with other businesses, manufacturing included. Not only the need to kind of manage workforces between two properties, plus our human resources office, which is also remote and offsite, but also to be able to kind of unify those teams in a way that kind of felt organic and made a very clear direction, or started us down the path of a clear direction of kind of implementing technological solutions to be able to kind of solve some complex problems when it comes to employing 3,400 people, right? We have 27 departments within 3 locations, and some departments, my largest being just shy of 1,300, and my smallest being 3. So, being able to scale to and kind of adjust to those complexities. My department with 1,300 people having leads, supervisors, managers, assistant directors, and directors, and my department of 2 having just me. So, there's all sorts of different nuances and complexities when it comes to managing attendance or human resources in general for that many people.